Welcome back to this CSS series. So far this CSS series, we have talked about the selectors, borders, backgrounds, margins, pixels, and many more. Now, we want to put them all into practical. I have previously done the practical on background colors and heading colors. In this video, we will proceed with the rest. I will work on borders. Let's be attentive and focused. As I earlier taught us, when it comes to border, we have about 8 types. Let's check each out. First is dotted border. As you can see, the border has appeared and you can give it colors of your choice. Next is dashed border. We have the solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset. Do you get that? Actually, you can as well change the pixels to your taste. Do you see that? The higher the pixels, the thicker and bolder it gets. But mind you, the border must also be defined in your HTML structure. If it is not defined in your HTML structure, then it will not display. HTML is the bedrock. CSS does not and cannot work on its own. Are we clear on border? We move wrap all other properties in the next video, and that will be all on our CSS series. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to our platform.